You know, you're also, I mean, your success story is also testament to the fact, in an abused industry, and arguably and justifiably, the industry faces abuse for not giving enough opportunities to the outsider. But you are evidence that that an outsider who's talented can make it. And yet, what how do you look at the journey? Do you see that, I mean, with the same talent, had you been had you had a famous surname, would it have been a very different journey?
Of course, it would have been a different journey. It wouldn't have taken me 9 years to be here. It would have probably taken 2.
That's the scale of disadvantage, huh?
Yeah, that's the scale.
And yet I find that, and we've spoken about this, and yet you've said that you'd never wanted any other way.
No, I don't want. Honestly, let me just tell everyone, being an outsider is not a bad thing. I don't know why people always see as bichara outsider.
Right.
I'm not bichara. I'll tell you why. Why you all loved my characters, my performances were real because I'm an outsider. I've seen that real life. I've gone through the journey most of you have gone through. I'm as regular a person as you all are.
Yeah.
And thanks to that, that's why I think my USP is that I am an average Indian woman, and people like, what do you think? You're not. I'm not in the diva zone.
Right.
I'm not into the artsy film zone. Also, I'm somewhere in between. I said that's my strength. I am representing the majority of this country, an average Indian woman. So I don't think that's a disadvantage. It's a big advantage that I have.
Right.
And I think that is what makes me so-called lambi race ka ghoda.
Correct.
So because I've been through it, there's no one who is holding me to help me grow, because डर क्या होता है, किसी ने हाथ खींच लिया तो फिर you'll fall,
You'll fall,
right?
right,
So there's
right.
no one जिसने मुझे ऐसा support दे रखा है.
Correct.
Slow and steady, but whatever I've made today is my own, and nobody can take the credit of that, saying कि अच्छा अगर मैंने हाथ खींच लिया तो this person will fall.
Right.
So I think that's a big high as an individual, not just as an actor. I think any other profession, it's a big high when you know that you made it without anyone's mercy or at anyone's mercy or anyone's help, so-called, in a not so regular way.
Right.
So I think I'm very proud to be an outsider, and I think that's my biggest strength, that I'm an outsider.
That's wonderful, actually. Yeah. Now, see, the turning point in your career, I think it's fair to say, was Pink, yeah? That's the one that sort of put you on the map. That's the one that made everyone who hadn't noticed you yet was, who's that girl?
Yeah.
Did you know that when you first read the script? Did you know that this one's going to be different? This one's going to be special? Did you know while you all were shooting the film, or did it come as a surprise? Given the reactions that the film got and your own performance got. Do you remember?
I realized something big has happened when the screenings of Pink started, not before that. Before that, I thought it's a nice film. I'm a Delhi girl. मेरे को वैसे ही थोड़ा सा inclination with this kind of subject
Yeah.
and Delhi backdrop हो जाता है. And I remember Shujita asking me also, you think this should be made? I said, of course this should be made, because it was first of its kind film to be made at that point.
Correct.
To say all those things out in open. So yeah, I said, I would love to do it. For me, it was more of a passion decision
Right.
to say yes to that film. बाद में पता चला बच्चन सर and all are part of it. उस time पता भी नहीं था first time, and I said yes to it. And I realized, I remember Friday को release हो रही थी 16 September 2016. And when it started, Monday से screening चालू कर दी थी, because we were so confident. I mean, we तो नहीं, मतलब Shujita was so confident of the film that it will work. So Monday से he started screening the film, and by Friday, or in fact by Thursday, all of you guys had
Yeah,
seen
we'd
it.
seen it. Yeah.
All of
yeah.
you guys had seen it, and my PR suddenly is like, Tapsi, I think you should keep next few days totally free, because there've
People are
been
gonna
a
wanna
lot
talk to
of
you about it,
requests for conversation with you by some really big names like you and like a lot of others in the industry. And I was, at that time, I started sinking in that something big has happened.
Right.
Because before that, you're just trying to get noticed for that one scene
Correct.
and one performance or one thing, and then finally here's a request coming आगे से कि people would want to talk to you. You need to keep your next few days free. So that time I realized that yes, something big has happened. And then I remember after release, I was trending on Facebook. उस टाइम ऑनेस्टली मुझे पता भी नहीं था फेसबुक पे कोई
होता
ट्रेंड
क्या है?
होता है.
हाँ.
मतलब यूजुअली यू सी ट्विटर पे ट्रेंडिंग हो रही है, यू नो, यू सी दैट, बट Facebook पे कौन trend होता है?
Right.
So I saw me and my name was trending on Facebook. That was bizarre and trust me, उस time मेरे पास कोई machinery नहीं थी ऐसी which would have helped me push all these trending and all to happen. It came totally as a big surprise.
अमिताभ बच्चन के साथ काम किया. It was the first time.
Yeah.
वो कैसा था?
First day of on the set, I remember I had to do this shot in which I had to just sleep while he's talking to Kirti's character. So I'm sleeping. वो मेरी there's a close-up shot on my face and I'm sleeping, and it happens in between the court hearing. So she's finally having a good sleep. वो shot establish करना था. So my eyes were fluttering when I was sleeping because एक तो पहला दिन shoot का, and then Mr. Bachchan is like right there and talking to someone else, not even me. So I was just so overconscious. My eyes were flooding. Like ये छोटे क्या अभी तो दिख नहीं रहा है, but बड़े स्क्रीन पे जब दिखेगा तो people will realize you're not sleeping. I was so stressed. I don't know how did I do that shot. I don't even remember वो shot exactly रखा भी है कि नहीं कि जल्दी से हटा दिया. I don't know. But that was, I was like, ऐसे तो नहीं चलेगा तापसी. ऐसे तो पूरी picture नहीं होएगी. So then I was like, I need to switch off that button that this is Amitabh Bachchan and let's just treat him like any other co-actor would, you know, who I really respect and like. I did that. So next day onwards, when he comes on the set, I'm sitting, everybody's sitting, and then suddenly everybody gets up when he comes around. So I was like very awkward कि सब खड़े क्यों हो गए? So I was just sitting, I was like, सर सब खड़े क्यों हो गए? And he was like, यार पता नहीं क्यों खड़े हो गए? So I remember that was like a nice ice-breaking moment, and there onwards I treat him like my regular co-star, like anyone else. He's really sweet to me. He's really, really sweet to me.
You know, another big turning point in your career was Baby.
Yeah, that was.
It was that small role in Baby, but such an impactful role.
Yeah.
You know, it feels like आपकी career को देख के it feels like you're again you know you're drawn to inspiring parts. You're drawn to parts which people will look at and say, I'd like to be like that. Do you notice that necessarily, or do you find that that's just a coincidence of?
No, वो obviously I notice it, and कुछ हद तक करती भी इसलिए हूँ कि notice करें लोग ये ऐसा होना भी चाहिए. हर फिल्म किसी मैसेज के लिए नहीं बनती है, बट कैरेक्टर जो मैं दिखाती हूँ मैं वो दिखाती हूँ कि एक रेगुलर, एज आई सेड, आई प्रॉब्ली रिप्रेजेंट दैट एवरेज इंडियन वुमन कैन ऑल्सो डू दिस, कैन ऑल्सो बी दिस, you know. So that is what I eventually want to convey with my characters that I portray in whichever film, in whatever screen space I have. जब बेबी आई थी, I remember उस टाइम पे तो situation, the reason behind taking it, and इतना ज़्यादा नहीं सोचा था कि people will think of me because just one film old at that point, only Chashme Badur had released. I just knew that this 10 minutes of role, if done right, people will remember me when they walk out of the theater.
Right.
I had this confidence when I heard, and I didn't even hear the whole script because उस time पे I'm too new to even narrate the whole script.
Correct.
They just told me my role and basically what the film is about. And I was after Neeraj Pandey. I was like, I have to get an appointment from him to just let me tell him that how I can be good at this. So, and they told me there are two girls in the film. One is Akshay sir's wife, and then there is this agent who has relatively lesser screen space and she doesn't have any songs.
Right.
And I was like, I want this only because I know that when this is going to be shocking for people to see.
Yeah.
And that is what is going to get me that my moment
Right.
with my audience.
Did you do your own action?
Yeah. I trained for like around, I think 3 weeks क्योंकि उतना ही time था before going on floor. So every day I used to train for 2 hours, and फिर I had an old injury that's resurfaced, which I didn't tell Neeraj sir at all because I was scared निकाल देंगे picture से अगर बता दिया तो. So I was so scared उस time पे, मतलब मैं 2 घंटे training करती थी और 1 घंटा physiotherapy में जाती थी रोज, so that, and took some vitamin injections and all that before I went for my shoot because I was like वहाँ पे कुछ problem नहीं होनी चाहिए. So and after that happened, we shot that entire action sequence in 1.5 days, and then I told them, and they were laughing so much at me. I was like, "Tu pagal hai? I mean, we wouldn't have taken you out or anything." But you know, at that stage of your career, you're so careful कि मेरे हाथ से नहीं जाना चाहिए ये.
Right.
So yeah, so now I can look back at it and smile, but at that point, it was a big deal for me.